Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to adjust the lock screen clock size on this device. So first of all go to the lock screen. So on the lock screen you can see this is the clock size. So let me show you how to adjust this clock size. For this just customize your lock screen. Just press and hold the lock screen. Then tap on the option customize. Then here you can see one arrow to resize this one. Let me show you. Up to this much, this is the largest size and this is the smallest size. So according to your choice, you can adjust the size. After the customization, tap on done on the top right side. Now you can see the clock size is this one. So simply in this way, we can adjust the lock screen clock size on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.